welcome back to the Urban Cook. What I'm going to do today is a nice beef pie with like sliced potatoes on top and then sort of like baked in the oven so it's nice and crispy and topped with cheese and all that good stuff. So what I've got is I've got some beef here which I'm going to cube up, a couple of white onions, some bay leaves, celery, carrots, beef stock, garlic, cheese, cheddar cheese, flour, butter, 3 potatoes, some mushrooms, Worcestershire sauce, some passata, olive oil and salt and pepper to taste, and a bit of water. So we'll get cracking and we'll see you in a minute. let that cook away for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, till this meat is nice and tender. Then we'll be done. So we'll just keep an eye on it, make sure the levels don't go down, just top it up a little bit. So this smells absolutely gorgeous, so we'll be back soon. Okay, so we're back. This is doing nicely. Letting this simmer away. So we're going to let that do its thing for a little while longer. So what I'm going to do, I've got the potatoes. These are still a bit warm. I'm just going to get a cloth, and these are not all the way cooked. What I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these sort of like thinly, like Dauphinoise potatoes. So I'm going to call this something different. You'll see it in the description anyway. So it'd be Dauphinoise potatoes with Dauphinoise Cumberland pie. That's what it'd be. So we'll get these cut up, and we'll be right back. And also I've left the skins on because I like the skins. So see you soon. Okay, so this is going really nicely now. So now, the mushrooms, put them in whole. Oh, that meat's lovely. Lovely. Might add a few more mushrooms to that actually. So we'll let that do, and we'll be back to the next stage. So see you soon. Okay, so this is thickened up and lovely. Because I added more water, I've added a bit more flour just to thicken it up a little bit more. So now this is done. Yeah, beef is lovely. So we'll get this in a dish, and we'll see you in a minute. So we've got this in the dish. So what I'm going to do is lay our potatoes in. Get that in the oven, let that crisp up a little bit, then we'll bring it back out and we'll layer some cheese over the top. So, see you soon.
A few moments later.
Ooh. Okay, so this is looking really good. So what I'm going to do now is get our cheese. This is mature cheddar cheese over the top. And we'll get this back in the oven.
One eternity later.
Okay, so this is really, really lovely. So we'll let it cool down a little bit. We'll have a plate up and we'll see you soon. Okay, so there we have it. We've got a Cumberland pie with Dauphinoise potatoes, topped with mature cheddar cheese. Obviously we've got our carrots and some bay leaves, some thyme, olive oil, some butter, some flour, some like tomato puree, Worcester sauce, stock cubes, and some, obviously the potatoes which were cooked, left the skins on, sliced thinly, like so they're like Dauphinoise, and obviously all put together in a glass dish, baked to crispy, and cheddar cheese on top. So hope you like it. Tastes awesome. Obviously we're going to take that bay leaf out, and I'll see you on the next one. See you later guys, take it easy. Cheers, bye.